TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 21. You got the Nasdaq up 2. S&Ps are up 1.5. Gold contracts down $1, trading at $12.27 an ounce. We have silver down a penny at $16.29. You have platinum up $5, $9.08 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 34 cents, $45.85 a barrel. They've toasted and roasted that oil market. Notes. 10-year note flat, 125.05, 30-year bond up 2 ticks, 151.25. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, once again, rejected lower price. They're going to have lighter volume. It looks like it's going to be a rejection on the daily and the weekly. They want higher price, lower yield. Pretty divergent as to the Fed going up on short-term rates, no doubt. The bottom line is that the market, the supply versus the demand, they're still buying notes and they're buying bonds. King dollar. It's going to be a big day and a big week for King dollar. King dollar has broken its March 27 swing low. You're down 82 ticks right now, 98.565. Bottom line, if we close down here, you can expect King dollar to get down into your 97 to 96 area, and I do expect we're going to close down there. The euro is trading at 109 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 112.5 to the U.S. dollar. Now, if we go over and we take a look at the, we're going to start with the futures today because the futures want to test that high. Bottom line is that we got to 2391.50 today. It's 2397. That was the high that was generated on March 1st. The second high, which failed, was on the 26th of April. That was 2394.75. And it's just possible that, guess what? The bump up this morning was a good jobs number. Bottom line, you got to the 2391.50, and that just might be all she wrote. Dow Industrials have been showing for quite some time right now that the Dow can't handle the highs that were generated out here on the 1st of March. The number to keep your eye on the Dow is 20,957. Bottom line, it's got up into that level 3 times in the last 7 trading days. Each and every time it's failed. Nasdaq Composite. Composite still hanging at the highs up here. Composite is at 6,076. And the number to keep your eye on here into the close is going to be 6,081. We got to 6,092 today. Bottom line, if you get under the 6,081, that's going to basically be a failure on price and volume as we go into that high. That high itself didn't have volume. The NDX 100 set up the exact same way. NDX 100, the high is 137.49. We've hit 137.39 today. If you close under 137.02, that'll be the failure on price and volume. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? They toasted and roasted gold out here yesterday. Bottom line, still doesn't have a bid. The number to keep your eye on is the 1225. 1225 is where gold broke topside from on March 15th. The low there was 1200. It went with 1225. It's a big volume spike at that level. We'll see whether it can hold that level. Silver, same type of setup inside the silver market. Silver market is at 1629. And if we go over to notes and bonds, what you have in the note, bond, and the dollar market, folks, they still want higher price. The note and bond market does, which is pretty amazing. So the 10-year note got to 124.27 today. We are at 124.04. The number that you would look for to be bullish is 125.06. That would be a close over 125.06. It looks at this particular point that the volume will be lighter on the daily and on the weekly. You're going into 2 million contracts. So bottom line is that we've done 845,000. That won't do 2 million. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? We're coming into the French election. The euro wants higher price. The dollar wants lower price. I expect what we're going to see going through this trading day, by the way, is that King dollar's only down 72 ticks right now. You're going to see King dollar down 200-300 ticks. You're going to see some big numbers here. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Safe weekend. Happy Cinco de Mayo, folks. Look forward to speaking right back here at 10 o'clock Monday morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.